Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel.
I asked you what is the most important quality required for success on YouTube, and you guys did not say courage, intelligence, commitment, or uniqueness. The number one thing that you said with 50% was patience. So take a look at this channel right here, getting 6.2 million views, making anywhere from 6,000 a month to 56,000 per month. That's for sure enough to buy your dream home. Or what about this channel making 7 to 70,000 per month, having the power to influence 7.6 million people the last 30 days? Or what about this one getting 34 million views the last 30 days, making anywhere from $33 up to $300,000 per month, making them able to eat at the best restaurants with the most juicy meat or veggies you can ever imagine? So if I show you a way to make thousands of dollars on YouTube, will you promise me to take action and have patience? Because you can do this without showing your face, without talking into the microphone, without spending any money, for 100% free. And I care about you. I believe you can do this. Just imagine waking up in your bed in the morning, walking over to your laptop with a warm cup of coffee in your hand, and on the screen you can see hundreds of dollars every single day from YouTube. That's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a bunch of YouTube channels that are doing this without showing their face, without using their voice, which if this is something that you're interested, stay on this video to the end to learn every single step and don't miss a single step, all right? So the first channel I'm going to show you is called Watch Data. As you can see, they got 34 million views the last 30 days. Is only growing. And they're making anywhere from $33,000 per month up to $300,000 per month. From my experience in this niche, it must be a little bit lower. It's not a really crazy high CPM niche, but you can see they have a crazy amount of views here, almost 1 million views each and every single day. Now, what they're making videos about is comparisons. So most subscribed YouTubers in 2021, comparison jobs ranked by IQ, most stupid ways to die, what if you stopped pooping? I'm very interested in that for sure. And 426,000 people also wanted to see that in 3 days. And it's only about 3 minutes long. Another channel doing this is called Rygarv Comparisons. And you can see 107 uploads. And with those, 2 million subscribers, 600 million total views. And you can see last 30 days was 7.6 million the last 30 days, making anywhere from $7 to $70,000 per month. Again, this is probably on the lower end here on this one, but wouldn't you want an extra $7,000 a month? I think a lot of people will do that for sure. About 200 to 300,000 views a day, and what they're making videos about is almost the exact same. You versus people your age too, probability comparison, world records, another how smart are you? I mean, these guys are leveling up, gaming speedrun comparison. And you can see all these videos here, like 1 million views, million, all of these is 10 million right here. So this is something you can definitely do. And I'll show you exactly step by step how to do this exact video in just a second. Another channel, because you guys love seeing these channels, right? Is called Data is Beautiful. 58 uploads, 104 million, got 6.2 million views the last 30 days, about 100,000 views each and every single day. Now this guy stopped posting like a year ago. If he would continue with this, he would definitely make a lot more views. But you know, some people just do this for a hobby and don't take it very seriously, like they want to make a full-time living from YouTube. And as a little hobby project, he got 1.39 million subscribers. Now, if you see the title of this video, it's called YouTube Shorts. But I haven't been able to find any YouTube Shorts dedicated channels for Data is Beautiful. I only found some TikToks. And TikTok is pretty much the only thing I can compare it with. However, TikTok has been around for a longer time, meaning that there's more competition on TikTok, and that's where you can scoop up that low-hanging fruit on YouTube Shorts. So the first TikTok I'm going to show you is called Cyber Coastal. And you can see here that they also have these stats and data that they're presenting in a really cool way. Here's a lot of football stuff. La Liga, 85,000 views, 100,000 views right here. And you can see all these charts. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a second. This other channel called Stats for You doesn't have that many followers yet, but you can see thousands of views each and every upload that they're doing. Tens of thousands of views right here, 100,000 views, and you can see that this really works. And the last one I'm going to show you has the most followers and also the most likes. He's getting about 1 million likes the last 30 days, got 61,000 subscribers or followers the last 30 days. And this is the channel Data Visual, and here you can see all of these videos. Hundreds of thousands of views, tens of thousands of views, 2.3 million on this one, 1.8 million on this one. And the content is like the simplest content that you can ever make. So I'm going to share you step by step exactly how you can do this right now without showing your face. Even if you've never made a TikTok before, you can do this. Right after you smash the like button, step number 1, find the data. Go to reddit.com/r/data is beautiful. Now, once you've done that, click on top, and then you can click and sort by today, this week, this month, and this year. You can see these are these data points that they have, all the passes, a visualization of 1 million passes from 890 matches played in major football leagues / cups. As you can see, the visuals here are really cool, and you can see why people are really interested in this. Here we have another stat. Data is beautiful. The Office, one of my favorite TV shows of all time. But here you can see how the US vaccine program is progressing by state. And as you can see, if we scroll down here, source Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, data.cdc.gov. So you can make this very simply, and you have the source right here to be able to get all the data. Step number 2, make the data beautiful. Go to app.flourish.studio and you can see the stats app right here. Now click on new visualization, and here you can see all the different ones that you can choose between. In this video, you saw bar chart races get hundreds of thousands of views. You saw a donut chart with literally 2 million views, and now you can make the same. You also have these scatterings that we just saw and all these other cool things. You can check them out yourself. I'm not an affiliate, I'm not sponsored. I just think this is a really awesome tool. So now click on bar chart. So right off the bat, they filled out population of each country up to 2017. And you see that China is leading. And what's going on with India? I know I got a lot of fans from India, so make more babies. Also, if you're watching from US, Brazil, Indonesia, Japan, Russia, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, I love you all. Now you can see here from the start to the finish, if you want to change this, all you need to do is click on data in the top right here, and here you can see all the data that they placed into the software to make it run, right? You see 1969, 1970, all the way to 2017, and this table you can usually find on the stats sources that I just told you. So this one, for example, you just click on upload data, and then you can just load in the stats that you found from another website. And if something is not right, you can, for example, let's find China here. We can name it stop making babies, and you can see image URL right here. Well, we're gonna delete that, the Chinese flag, and then let's go to Google and find a picture of a baby. Not Justin Bieber, that's for sure. Yeah, this dude right here. Copy image address and then just paste that in there. And if we click on preview now, you can see that we got this chubby baby right here. And the chubby baby is growing real fast. And now to make this video right here, step number 3, film the video. Go to obsproject.com. This is a way that you can film your screen. It's actually what I'm using to film this video right now for you guys, and it's completely free. So now go back to the visualization, click on OBS, then we're just gonna click on start recording, and then I'm gonna maximize this window right here, get it from the beginning, and then start playing. So now it's playing, and I'm gonna let it go all the way to the end. There we go. Now it's finished. Now go back to OBS again, and then stop the recording. Step number 4, find good music. Search YouTube audio library into Google and click on the first link. If you have a Google account, you can use this right here with completely copyright-free music. And what I saw from the other videos is that they have a lot of dramatic music. So just click on mood and then dramatic right here and click apply. Now let's try finding a song. Yeah, I feel like that's very attention grabbing from the first second. Also, it's from the artist Unicorn Heads. I just wonder what they did with the rest of the body. But anyway, click on download, and now it's downloading in the lower left hand corner. Step number 5, make the YouTube short. So now stop looking at cute baby photos and go to DaVinci Resolve. This is a free editor that you can use. It's amazing. You've seen me talk about this free video editing software for ages now. It's literally better than Premiere Pro, and it's completely free. Literally, I've been using it for a year now, and I haven't even upgraded to the studio version. For Mac, Windows, or Linux, just download the software. Now just drag your audio and your video clip in here. Drag this into your timeline. Delete the audio, zoom in and crop this. So just click on this button. Then we're gonna make it bigger. And then just click on this one, click on crop. And then we're gonna drag it down here, and we're also gonna crop the bottom of this. That looks good. Now in the toolbox in your left, search for solid, and then drag the solid color over here. And then you need to make sure that the video layer is on top and the solid color on the bottom. Now here, just click on generator, color, and then we're gonna go with white. Then we're gonna add some text. So just write text in here. Click on that, drag it out, write population by country, black, and then change it to the font Montserrat extra bold. And then we're gonna duplicate the text layer from 1960 to 2017. Honestly, this looks really boring, so we're gonna go to pexels.com, click on videos, search for background. We just need to find something stimulating, you know. I think this one looks pretty cool, so we're gonna download that for free, and there's no copyright on pexels.com. Just drag that in there as well and replace the solid background. Then we need to copy paste this and then add a video transition, and let's do the cross dissolve to loop it forever. Now the text looks really dumb, so let's change it to white, and then we have a background right here, so we can change like that. Now this looks a little bit better if you ask me. Now the last thing we gotta do is add the music. So just drag it down in here. You want to see the entire thing? So yeah, I showed you everything. And remember the deal we had in the beginning? Just have some patience. Thank you so much for watching. If you want other YouTube niches that you haven't thought about before, there's 2 videos on this screen right now that I bet you'll like. But thank you so much for liking the video. Thank you so much for subscribing and commenting down below. And I'll see you in the next one.